Hello guys, you use smartphone Motorola G200. This version for 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box with completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. We have display 6.8 inch. On this side power key, one keys, power key with fingerprint scanner. On this side smart key, backside triple camera LED. The outside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Okay, we have display IPS, Full HD, 144 Hz. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus and Adreno 660. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, perfect results, and GPU test results, very good. Look into the benchmark score. Okay, very good result. Very good results. Okay, close this. And open the My Game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Game doesn't work, okay. Look how Minecraft works on the device. On max graphic level. Minecraft works perfect on max graphic level. Very good. Okay. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.